The harder you work in treading water, the worse it's gonna be.
One of the things you have to be able to do in order to tread water effectively is have insane coordination. I mean, you gotta have one leg going this way, one leg going this way. Luckily, there's a better way. Now, in order to learn how to tread water efficiently, there's 3 things we have to do. 1, we have to talk about our approach. Number 2, we gotta talk about our technique with our upper body. And number 3, we gotta talk about our technique with our legs. Let's start with our approach. Now, the first step to being epic at treading water is ensuring that you stay relaxed. The most common mistake that brand new swimmers make, or even seasoned swimmers make when trying to tread water, is they're using way too much force and they're trying to power their way through the movement. That's not gonna be you. Now, to kick things off with our upper body, or should that be our lower body? To kick things off with our upper body, all we want to do is a very simple movement, okay? We want our palms facing out, and then they need to come back in. We want to face them out on the way out, in on the way in, out on the way out, in on the way in, out on the... All right, now I'm going to show you a way that's a lot simpler than the video intro, unless you really want to be doing that kind of coordination stuff, not me. So instead of that, highly recommend we just do a simple flutter kick, okay, where our feet go up and down. Now, the most common mistake that I see during this movement is we have flexed feet. Flexed feet means our feet are pointed up instead of our toes pointed down. This means we have no surface area when we're kicking in the water. We're gonna go straight to the bottom. Let's hop in the pool so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about.
Here's what it looks like to sculpt when we're in the water. Notice how my hands and my movements are very, very slow, fluid, and intentional. Our palms face out, then they turn and face back in towards our body. All right, come on in so you can see what we do with our feet. Now, although this is not the position I want you to do, here's the technique. Just gentle flutter kicks. Notice how my toes are pointed. All right, this is really important. Anytime we have a flexed foot, which is when our feet are up like this, we're not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna make us sink in the water. It's gonna make us sink in the water. As a bonus for sticking around all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to show you the easiest technique that you can add in order to reduce the amount of work that you do in treading water by like 80%. Check it out. All you're going to do is gently lean back and do a slight back swing. And anytime it is straight up and down in a vertical position, it's a lot of pressure on the rest of our body. So we can use the surface of the water to offset some of that weight. And this allows us to relax a lot more. We want to hear from you. What videos are working? What videos do you want to see more of? What tips or tricks can we offer you to make you a better swimmer? If you're looking for the full Learn to Swim experience, come to the Caribbean with me and my wife Meredith for a 6-day Learn How to Swim retreat in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We'll teach you how to swim without fear and 100% confidence guaranteed. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe to our page, like our video, click the little bell. That way you get notified every single time we put out a new video that'll help you learn how to swim. See you guys at the next one.